Hello and welcome to my student. Today's lectures we have discussed the topic structures of solids. In this topic, the points we are going to discuss the closest packing of rigid sphere. You know that in crystals, the atoms, molecules arrange in regular way in three-dimensional space. And these arrangements has required the minimum energy and maximum stability. The arrangement in solids in which the available space they are occupied to maximum extent by the constituent of crystals, and this packing which is called as closest packing. The internal structures of the solids they can be understood by assuming the atoms as a hard sphere of equal dimension can arrange as closest packing. This closest packing can be done by arranging equidimensional spheres in space, and hence that available space can fill up effectively or efficiently. And these are two-dimensional way spheres can be arranged in closed packing. First one, each sphere can contact with 4 neighbors, and second types is one, the each sphere is in contact with 6 neighbors. Now firstly we have CR here, the is contact with 4 spheres. Now these diagrams we are clear shows that the each sphere are contact with 4 neighbor. It is a one type or one way to arrange this sphere. For example, this sphere we have take like this. So this sphere can arrange 4 types. Which one? This 1, 2, 3 and 4. For example, we have take this sphere, then these spheres are contact with this, this and this. So total 4 neighbors which are contact with each others. But what is the length of this? It is a 4r, right? Because it is a one circle, therefore the length or radius between this point to this circle is r. This is twice r, total 3r, and it is a one of the r, so 4r. So length or radius of this total 3 sphere, it is a 4r. Similarly, second way, the spheres can be arranged in close packing like this. These diagrams which are clear shows that how many spheres can be contact with each other. For example, we have considered this sphere, then these spheres are contact with 6 neighbors. Which is 6 neighbor? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So total 6 neighbors are there. For example, this pair we have considered, then these pairs are contact with 6 neighbors. Which one 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So 6 neighbors are there. What is the radius of this? It is also 4r. This is also 4r. And hence two types of the spheres can be arranged in the crystals having a close packing. One of this way having a four neighbors are there, or other way 6 neighbors are there. The percentage of space filled by sphere for such a type, it is 52.4%, and these types of neighbors can be filled with 60.5%, and hence the two-dimensional close-packed structures, each sphere can contact with the sixth sphere which having the most extensively. Now, in three-dimensional structures, the spheres can be arranged in three different ways, like hexagonal close packing, cubic close packing, and third one is a body-centered cubic close packing. Such a sphere can be well understood by represent the atoms or ions in sphere. The spheres are arranged in contact with maximum number of similar spheres. For example, firstly we have CR here, the two layers, which is two. This is the yellow color, it is one of these layer, and the other layer like a red colored layer we can stack over these yellow colors. How will you arrange these layers? Like this. And this is other. So the last slides we have see are here. These type of arrange these spheres. For example, this is a sphere, one of the sphere in contact with six spheres or six neighbors, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 neighbors are there for this center sphere. We have take other sphere, for example, we have take this sphere. It is also 6 neighbors. Which one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. Any one sphere we can take like this. So 6 neighbors are there in such a type of arrangement in the crystals. Another points which are very important, each spheres can be contact with this sphere having a hollow or unoccupied space are there. It is two types. It is a black colored spot or red color spot. It is called as a whites or hollow. So such a types of hollow or whites which is present in these lattice structures. Then now we have see the definition of the coordination number for the crystals. The number of nearest neighbors for an atom or ion, which is called as a coordination number for these crystals. For example, in last slides we have see are here, the 4 spheres are near, so 4 coordination number, 6 neighbors, so 6 coordination number. It is a one types of structures like this ABAB type structures. It is a horizontal plane or plane view, and it is a vertical plane. So these structures, this is A type, second layer is a B type, again A, B, AB type structures. Hence, the closest packing can explain by stacking the layer of spheres. Means one of the layers having other layer can stack over first layer. Similarly, third layers we can stack over the second layer. The first layer is two-dimensional, but some of the hollow are left, which is marked as a red or black dot. This is in last slides. It is a hollow or white, black or red spot we can shows are here. So this marked as red or black dot. The third layers can be stacked or stack either first layer of spheres and structure is repeated after the two layers, right? The structure repeated after second layer. This second layer structure is repeated like a AB type. Such arrangement, which is called as a hexagonal plaque structures. See are here. It is a center atom. So this is a center atom. This is a 6 atoms are there. On this side, it is only we have C 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 atoms we are C is here, and this is a one of these sphere like this. It is a center, right? It is a 3 atoms are there. So 3 atoms which is present at the center of this HCP, and other 4 atoms are here 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remaining 2 on the other sides which are not C, and this is the center atoms are there. So this is the imaging parts which can imagine for this structure is a vertical manners. Now next we have see the first layer in structures they can repeated after 3 layers like ABC. So first layer are this the yellow color, second layer, and this is a third layers. They can arrangement which is called as a cubic close packing structures like this. It is a vertical positions like a B C, next layer A B C layers. It is a vertical section, and those layers we can represent at like these cubic structures. Cubic means it is a face centered cubic natures. How will you see this face centered cubic natures? Like this 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4 are there, and one of the centers of this face. Other similarly, these sides also sees 2. Similarly, this other. So 3 layers. After 3 layers, the structures of this face centered cubic they will be repeat again to get the arrangement of these, which is called as a cubic close packing structures. Next type is a three-dimensional structure. So structure can be arranged in 3 ways. Like this is a in 2-dimensional. Firstly, these spheres can be arranged are like this. Similarly, other 2 layers like a AB types can be arranged are here. This is one of these layer. This is also one of these layer. So A, B, then A. Similarly, other layers which can stack over this layer. So it is a 3-dimensional structures. It is a 2-dimensional structures. Then which is show are here hexagonal close pack structures. So it is also AB type. This is A type layers. And then above this layer, the second layer will stack over this first layer in vertical plane or vertical view. Similarly, the cubic close packing structures. In cubic close packing structures, the spheres can arrange as A, B, C type. A, B, C. So this is A type of layers. Then second layers, and in dark circle, which is a third layers, is one of the aboves. So these 3 layers which are 3-dimensional structures for cubic close packing structures. This is a three-dimensional hexagonal close packing structures, and this is a three-dimensional BCC body center cubic packing structures. These parts which are not very important accordingly final year exam, but it is a understanding parts to know about the how will you the spheres can arrange in the crystals. Now VRC is here. How will you the body center cubic crystal can be formed like this? This is a cube, body centered cube. In body centered cube, the lattice point they will arrange as like this. Firstly, these four lattice 1, 2, and 3, 4. These four lattice, and this yellow colored spheres is at the center. Then one of these layers, second layer will stack over this layer. So total 8 spheres can contact with the second sphere, center sphere, like this. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these 8 spheres can contact with one of these yellow color or center sphere, which is called as a body centered cubic structures. These body centered cubic structures we can explain like this. The sphere in first layers, like this green colored layer, the sphere in first layer marked as a green color of cubic close pack, which is slightly opening the third type arrangement, and which is called as a body center cubic structures. It is a loose packing. Why it is a loose packing? Because these type of spheres, it having some of the space are there in between the two spheres, and hence it is a loosely packing structures. The spheres cannot be contact with each other. This layer actually not contact with each other like HCP structures. This second sphere marked as yellow. This is a first sphere marked as a green, and second sphere marked as a yellow color. They built up on the top of the first layer. Yep. This is first layer. They built up top of this first layer or on the first layers. They built up on the top of first layer in such a way that the second layer has been contact with the four sphere, right? This sphere can be arranged like this. This one of the spheres is contact with how many spheres? 4 spheres, right? These yellow color spheres can contact with 4 spheres. This is a 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 sphere can be contact with the second layers. And such a type of arrangement which is called as the BCC, body center cubic close packing structures. Each sphere has been contact with 8 other sphere, right? Each sphere, like each yellow color spheres, it can be contact with 8 other sphere, which is 8. 4 is below and 4 is above. So total 8 sphere can be contact with this. Hence, the 26% of this part in the crystal can be unoccupied, and they regarded as a voids or the holes in the crystal lattice. Thank you.